team, Lauren Hagen here. So we just finished our scooping graduation workshop. Great job. So let's recap and talk about some of the amazing things that we learned and some key things we need to keep in mind. So again, what is scooping graduation? Let's take a look. So if we remember, when in our workshop, we got a really nice curved line in our silhouette because of the elevation. That's the beauty of scooping graduation. Anytime we elevate the hair above the horizontal line at 90 degrees, we will always and forever get this really beautiful curved line that curves inward. Now, some key things to remember and some things that helped us out. Don't forget to use your mirror. Consistency in your elevation will always give you consistency in your graduation. And that's a really important thing when we're cutting hair. So again, our elevation was above the horizontal line of 90 degrees at that 45. And anytime right before I cut, I always look in the mirror to make sure all the grains of the hair are consistently being elevated at that degree that I want so that I have consistency in my shape. Good luck. See you guys next time.